Okay, so quick demonstration, I guess, of the difference between pepper plants that have been grown outside the whole winter, or winter, it's Canada, everything's winter, outside the whole summer, and ones that were grown inside in a condo for the whole summer. So it's currently August, 22nd or something? No, 24th? Something like that. Anyway, these ones here. Now, there are a couple differences between these. We have 3 plants on the end, which were grown completely in the condo up until about almost a week ago when I brought them up north. We have the shorter ones, but much more bushy, that were grown outside here. They're pretty much all in pots. Well, they are all in pots. The condo ones are actually in smaller pots, but they've grown taller. And as far as the differences in the soil, a lot of this was the cheapest soil, and some of this was Miracle Grow. The 1, 2, and 3, I'll show you closer up soon, we're all Miracle Grow, and some of these bushier ones, taller ones from outside, are also Miracle Grow. The rest of these over here were not Miracle Grow. It was just cheap soil, and they didn't add any fertilizer to it in the beginning because I was like, well, let's see what we've got, right? And once they added fertilizer, the colors got better and they started growing quicker. There are different species here. These ones are just your regular old chili peppers. There's tons of fruit on these all of a sudden. This is not a fair comparison to the condo ones. These ones here, actually, I'm gonna pick this one now. This has taken basically a month for this fruit to ripen. This is a golden 7-pot hot pepper. So the story with this one is it's supposed to, one of these should do 7 pots of chili. I'll let you know. But tons and tons of fruit now. I think everything has fruit. And these ones, the shorter ones flowered first. I've picked a lot of these that were red. You can see that one was red and it's been picked. I'm not actually seeing much red here right now. But the more to the point here is, like, look how bushy and dense this one is, right? Bushy and dense, bushy and dense. Like, just the density here is ridiculous. So all of these, very, very dense. Well, this one's a bit of a straggler. Wonder what kind it is. No, this is also a golden 7-pot. But, and then these ones are just, I think by their nature, I mean, it's bushy, but they're really scraggly. I have 2 of these. These are both cayenne peppers. Going down, let's see how good they are. Now, quick backdrop. I had surgery this year, so I wasn't too sure if I could attend either of them, really. Whoa. And the other backdrop story is the outside ones are all up on these tall planters because we had bad luck last year with groundhog and deer. So this is a condo one. It's actually looking like it's much bushier in the last week, but if you'll notice, it's fallen over. Like it's even with the stick to hold it up. This one here, I mean, I didn't even dare untie it. I'm gonna have to, like, just look at this. I mean, I gotta really, before I untie these, I gotta do something about this. The leaves are typically bigger. The space in between I'm pretty sure it's called nodes, is huge. I mean, it just falls right over, like. So, and that's with it's tied to a stick. If not tied to a stick, this would be finished. This one here, again, another condo one, 2 sticks in it. But look, this is straight on the ground. I don't even know what to do with this anymore. Because So they both had similar amounts of water and similar amounts of light. Well, more light out here than in the condo, but I think the main difference is the wind. Like, these are just not going to survive in the wind without being really supported. And these, like, look how laden with fruit this thing is. It's fine. These did have more fruit before. You can see a lot of it starting to come now. Well, there's one that's, these might be lagging a bit behind. I really got to do some work on these, like, quick to get them supported and hopefully doing well. But you can see, like, this, if that didn't have support, it'd all be on the ground. There's some fruit. Oh, there's some fruit. Oh, this is going to be a nasty, nasty pepper. Anyhow, there's the city versus country growing conditions. I mean, even this one here, like, look at how much fruit is on here. I can't see through the lens here, but it's too much glare. But anyway, tons and tons of fruit that the other ones just wouldn't be able to support.